Handlebar, let go for anyone. Boom, take me in. Hula, my heart I never knew of. Never knew from pain. You knew Yo, it is FATKING over here, right here, right now. I don't know, whatever. But first of all, I have to apologize because I haven't posted or recorded any beatbox tutorial for quite a while, probably a few months. I probably did disappoint a lot of people, but please forgive me. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. But for sure, I will compensate you guys. I will record more English tutorials for sure, because I'm not getting too much feedback from both Cantonese and English versions before, and then I kind of, I was like, there are not much people watching my English and Cantonese version, so that's why should I still continue, right? I was a little discouraged, but it's wrong. I shouldn't do that. Therefore, I should compensate you, as in this episode, I'm going to, well, the 7th episode, I'm going to teach you 4 different sounds that is Dharni signature. So that's why you heard me doing Dharni signature beat before, I don't know, in 2012. Now it's like, baby, but never. So the first sound I'm going to teach, of course, is the Dharni's rim shot. Dharni, one sound, right? Then he did this. Okay. That's the first sound I'm going to teach. The second one is going to be. I really don't know how can I name the last 3 sounds, but you name them. I call them Dharni's signature sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't care. But yeah, when you listen to these sounds, when you hear the sounds, like, oh, okay, you got it from Dharni, right? So yeah. Thirdly, it's the transformer sound. All right. I wish I can transform. Therefore, I can tell you what the sound is, but I can't. I wish I could, though. That would be really cool. And the 4th sound would be. Well, I know this sound. Reaps One uses it a lot. Sometimes Alem does it too. But Dharni have been using it quite much. So, and I want to give you more sounds in one episode, just to compensate you guys. So, just follow me through. Well, before I teach all of these sounds, I have to say, don't copy one person's style 100%. So by that means, don't be Alem, don't be Dharni, don't be Reaps One, because that's their style. I encourage people to have and build up their own style instead. I'm teaching these because you can learn how to do these sounds and get inspired from it, but not copy and using them just like Dharni and Reaps One does. So that's a key. I wish, well, I'm not saying that's wrong, but my intent is I want the whole beatbox world to like a huge evolution instead of, I don't know. I wish you understand, but let's get it started. First sound. Okay, whoa. First of all, you have to know how to do. Whoa. how to do the inward K snare. So it's an inward rim shot. Well, you can learn that from a second episode, which is with a really, I forgot. Is it the second episode? I forgot. Whatever. So the second episode, check that out. You can learn the rim shot over there because I don't want to repeat again. So first of all, the rim shot, and at the end, the end part of this sound is speaking in with inhale. Speaking with inhale. Does that make sense? Anyways, so you're inhaling, right? But then you try to speak at the same time. So, for example, I'm saying you're really handsome, you look good, but you say an inhale inwards. So it would be, you are really handsome. You are really handsome. You look good. Oh, surprisingly, I think in all three versions, English sounds the most like the best. I guess. In Mandarin and in Cantonese, does sound a little retard, but I guess English as well. But well, cause me. But yeah. Anyways, okay. I jumped too far. So rim shot, inward K. Okay, and inhale. Speaking inhale. It doesn't. Well, it doesn't have to be this side, by the way. I don't really know which side I'm doing, but it doesn't have to be one-sided. You can do that even though your snare is both-sided. Or some people do it in the left side. I guess I do it in the right side. Yeah, I do it in the right side. But it doesn't matter. You do it in your most comfortable way. You don't have to be exactly the same with me. If you can do the sound, then that's good. Different positions really doesn't affect how the sound will sound like. So be your way, don't follow. That's always the key point. So since there's a little tail, right? You can the inhale sound, replace that with the inhale with talking. So and at the same time, your lips should be like ew, not ew, but kinda ew. It's like ew, you're disgusting. Okay, so it's like. And that's it. Now you learn a new sound. Secondly, it's gonna be, for this one, I have to say, when I was learning this sound, when I was practicing, I have to smile all day, and I have to smile one-sided, like this. Do this all day. You smile to people. Act nice. Yep, that's all you do. Because you have to keep practicing, right? And for this sound, the spot for is really like it's at the end, like it's right. You see that? It's over here. Not here, not here, it's here. Right at the far end. And you have to go, apparently, you have to go really up, like the highest as you can, and to get that spot. So therefore you have to practice. You have to let your muscles to get used to the spot, and you have to relax them, right? So you have to just smile all day. Just for that, I'm serious. So once you get that spot, all you have to do is inhale. Well, inhale a little bit of air. You don't have to be too much. Your lips don't have to be too tense, I guess. I just left it natural. It looks a little tense because I'm stretching it, but I really didn't put much pressure or put much strength on my lips. Pretty relaxed. Yep, that's it. It's at the really far end. Just remember that. That's the key. Just try your best. Try it as far as you can. And you just saw my foot. Wow, I didn't realize that. Jeez. Okay, yeah, I'm sitting on my bed and I'm recording this tutorial on my bed. Feel cozy, yeah. Hug? Yeah? No? Okay. So, yeah, that's the second sound. The third sound is the transformer sound. For this one, it's kind of hard for me to teach, because there's a little song I can sing in Mandarin. I'm not going to sing in the English version, but basically, I guess it's easier for people in French, I guess. I don't know. Not because of the French kiss, but the tr sound, the tr, 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 I don't know how to explain. In English, I don't think you have this sound either. Tr, tr, you don't say tr, yeah, I don't say that. But I guess in French, for some words, they pronounce tr, or I don't know in other language as well. I'm not too sure, but I guess it's easier for the Europeans. Damn. But anyways, it's pretty long. Your tongue, stick it to the top, like that, and you exhale as much air as you can. Just release it all out. Just stick it up, relax your tongue, exhale. That's all you do. At the beginning, you have to put much pressure. Well, I mean, by pressure, you have to exhale a lot of air at the beginning. But when you get used to it, you are fine. You don't have to exhale that much. Just to get you, just to help you to learn the sound, you have to exhale really hard at the beginning. Okay, so it's like once you get it, you can do any routines like bubbly, yeah. So that's the sound. Then to make this sound into the transformer sound, you have to learn how to use your lips. Well, it's your shape, your mouth shape. It's gonna be from a little small O to a really big O. So it's like ho ho ha ha, ho ho ha ha, ho ho ha ha, like that. But with you do that during you do the. I really don't know how to name it. Well, you do this, okay? You do ho ho ha ha while you do, okay? So it'll be faster. So it's like Transformer. Dharni, roll out. Just like that. It's that easy. This sound, I guess it took me about a week or so. It won't take you too long. It's okay. With this sound, you can also do, I guess, Skiller has a routine with breathing. It's like like that, right? But then Alexino had a version with the inhale. I don't know how to do the sound, but it sounds like that. I guess Dharni did it once with this sound, with the Transformer sound, and it sounds like this. Okay, you can do that. That's just an idea of how to use the sound. I give examples sometimes. Yeah, that's Bubbly is 1. Is 2. It's easy. Once you get it, how to do that sound, it's easy. Okay. The fourth sound is. I know it sounds more like Reeps 1. I do apologize because I was really inspired by Reeps 1, but just as much as Dharni, right? So for this sound, you have to learn how to do the. Do you call this the lips oscillation or something? But okay, my English is not that good, but okay, I'll just teach you how to do it. First of all, you have to learn this sound. Hey, okay, Christmas song. All you have to do is say do. Don't do me, but I do you. Okay. Oh, okay. Do, and then you close your lips. You have to tense them up. Use some strength. So it's like do. You have to wet them, kinda. When they're wet, you get comfortable, and they're tense. Tight. Okay. I don't know. Do you get it or not? But okay. Yeah, I'm talking about beatbox. Okay, don't think weird. You have to make it tight. It has to be wet. Okay, and then just like that. Just say do. Tighten them. Tight them up. Yeah, and it's comfortable. Then from to. For this one, it's really easy. I do this when I was a kid. Most kids does. You just play with your spit. It's just that. So it's 2, and you do it at once. You don't break them up. You do it in one shot. That's the sound. Really easy. For you can use it in many ways. First of all, you can do, I guess, satisfaction. That's one way, and then I guess the other easiest way is you can do the house beats. So it's like here we go. Bass. That's one way. Sometimes for that sound, I use it for as a dubstep drop. So it's like. Drum. Oh, I guess that's a wrong example. But anyways, it's like drum. Something like that. I'm a little messed up right now. But anyways, yeah, that's a way of using the sound. So, and yeah, I just taught you 4 sounds in 20 minutes. 20 minutes, that's good. Fair enough. So yeah, first sound. Second, the third one. Fourth one. And that will be the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and then ask me a question. And feel free, please give me feedback. You like it or not? Well, I guess you can dislike it, but just tell me what you don't like about it, okay? But yeah, hope you like it. Hope you enjoy, and I will keep doing this if I see enough feedback. And thank you. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Crazy, oh you crazy.